It's the first event of the year. Yay! That's how we're gonna start it. It's just gonna open up to that. We're at Jones Beach. Where's the pencil? There it is. We're at Jones Beach. Wait, there it is, okay. We're at Jones, shit, I missed it. Hold on. We're at Jones Beach. That way, okay. We're at Jones Beach. Shit, all right, I'm done. It's really hard to do when you're backwards. This is the first run of the season.
Yo, these tires are fucked. I'll let you know when I get scared. You would feel the car start to stick, and then as soon as they came back, it grabbed. So that's what you got to try and work on. You can't ask the tires to do more than they're willing to do. Yeah. So if you're already asking too much, asking them to do more is just gonna make it worse. But yeah, how was that? We did a little spin. That's the second time I spun there. At the very start. That's the second time I did that today. That's alright. Thank you though. Yeah man, of course.
So sit rep morning runs are done and I had no grip. I wonder why. That was on the rear, so that's probably why. This was on the front, so we're gonna rotate them and go back out and see what happens. I guess. I don't know, follow along as I almost die 7 times in a row.
No cords. No cords. Yeah.
What the fuck? Where are my cords? Go, go, go!
I told that guy in the black Infinity that they're co-driving cars, that's also a rental car, and I told him about your rental car challenge video. Is it a rental car? Yeah, it's a rental car. Oh, he told me when he registered it, he's like, yeah, because he's like, I registered H Street because I just assumed we were gonna have an H Street car, and then they gave me this, so we're running this. it had less than 1,000 miles on it when we picked it up.
Alright, tires are rotated and the afternoon session is a go. Let's see if I can court him. Nice, get in that rhythm. Good, good. Look ahead, look ahead. Look out that side window. There you go. Good, good. Planning ahead, looking out over here. We're looking over here, we're looking over here. Nice, nice, okay. Carry some speed, back on the gas, in and out. Alright, looking ahead, looking ahead, looking ahead. Oh, taking a nice wide line, okay. Oh, I see what you're doing. Alright. Get in there, get in there. Carry some speed, there you go, looking ahead, look ahead. Ready, set up for that finish. Get ready for the finish. Nice, man. That is a lot better than this morning.
Yeah?
Yeah. Woo. So yeah, you're now you're looking ahead. You're being more proactive,
Yeah.
rather than reactive. Like you're seeing the course before it gets to you, and that's what's making you a lot smoother through there. You had a little bit of a thing at the end.
Yeah.
So you weren't ready for that, or I don't know if you had a little understeer through that corner.
Did I overshoot that? I'm having a hard time figuring out my line.
I think you were a little too wide coming out of that, and you couldn't. You had a hard time getting back.
Gotcha.
But
So
yeah.
I kind of have to maybe start wider and cut in earlier, so I can.
I would say give it a little bit more brakes for when you're coming around the big arc. Give it a little bit more brakes before that right-hander.
Okay.
Give it up there, because you got to go slow through there anyway. So give it up there and then get back on the gas and push through the finish, rather than trying to charge that corner and blowing it. Just give it up there, because you got to go slow through there anyway.
Okay.
If you don't, you're gonna end up blowing it either way.
Yeah.
So you're better off giving up that corner and then setting the car up so that you can get through that zigzag with a straight line. But nice, man.
Thank you, bro.
Good shit. Good shit.
Thanks for hopping in. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Check that time. I think that one was a fast one. Okay, not gonna spin it. Not gonna spin it. Not gonna spin it. Not gonna spin it. I'm taking a 360 video.
Don't be a hero if you start to spin 2 feet in and then go do that.
I did. I put both feet on the same pedal. I really like these gloves. Shotgun with a bunch of people.
I was kind of thinking about what you said, how it lets loose when I brake.
Yeah.
So I actually fucking used it like that, and I hit the brakes back in here, just gave him a quick tap, got the car to fucking turn, and like it swung the rear as I went through the turn, but perfect.
That's what you're supposed to do. Steer with both feet, bro. do the slalom.
I'm doing the slalom.
You're going the other way. Shit. Oh, you're cutting distance. I see what you're doing. But I'm adding a smoother line here. Oh, I got the inside line.
On the outside.
Go for the over-under here. Hey, you know that's a kick. Oh! Yours is faster. This is bullshit. Ow! That was a... It's not really a slalom when it's this long. Shit, I took the wrong way. Maybe not. Me? Okay, Verstappen. You gotta leave me room! You gotta leave me room!
I'm on the inside!
Oh! 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 Shit! Oh! 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 I got him! I got him!
Come here, let me step on your brake!
There we go.
Well,
114, 708. We ran a 114. Yeah, you know, Matt, he had the fastest scooter all weekend. And, you know, I was able to put together a really good lap and take him right at the last corner. So, hashtag blessed. Did I do that right?
Fans.
What is...
You got the greatest fans of all time.
It's just the best fans here. That was a pretty awesome way to start off the season. Nice little test and tune. Did probably like 20-25 runs again. Didn't quite cord the tires like I wanted to, but that means that I can use them again for the next one. They're absolutely shot. There's no cords on them, but they are complete racing slicks. And I swapped them out. They're on the trailer back there. Yeah, really smooth event. It was fun. Everybody had fun. We had a lot of new people show up, and they enjoyed themselves, which is big. We're about a week away now from our Lime Rock event, which will happen next Saturday. And that'll be a fun one, so I'm gonna vlog that one also. It'll be the first half of the day will be autocross, and then the second half of the day will be a track day. So I think it'll be really cool to vlog. I think it'll be really cool to play. And gotta decide which tires I'm running, because these ones are not Lime Rock friendly. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video, and hit that like button to let me know that you liked this video. And I will see you next Taco Tuesday!